In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve WhatsApp microphone is not working in Windows 11. You can try this method. Search settings. Now here privacy and security. Click on microphone and make sure turn on microphone access and turn on let apps access your microphone and find out here WhatsApp and turn on here. If this method not works, so try another one. Click in this sound icon and click on sound settings. Now here click on more sound settings and in recording. Now in this recording tab, make sure microphone is selected. If not, so right click and properties and set as default. If this method not works, so try another method. Search here, troubleshoot. Then open troubleshoot settings. Now here other troubleshooters and run on audio. So these are methods you can try to resolve this error. Thanks and comment any method work for you.